You're not supposed to start from zero anymore, but I am. Today marks the beginning of something bigger than me, and I want you to see it from day one. My name's Ricardo, but online, you'll know me as the mind behind daZillionairesClub. Not a billionaire, yet. I'm just a regular guy from Pensacola, Florida, who refuses to die with his ideas still stuck in his head. For years, I watched from the sidelines. I studied the people who made it online, the ones who turned ideas into income. And one day, I made a decision. I'm not just going to be a fan anymore. I'm going to build something of my own. daZillionairesClub isn't just a brand, it's a mission, a movement for creators, entrepreneurs, side hustlers, who refuse to settle for small goals. We're here to build digital empires, faceless brands, faceless businesses, passive income systems, without needing fame, followers, or filters. If you ever dreamed about making money without selling your soul on camera, this is your home now. But talk is cheap, and I believe dreams need deadlines. Here's the crazy goal I'm chasing: to build a system that posts 100 pieces of content a day across Instagram. Not manually, not slaving away, but through automation, AI, scheduling, batching, real systems. Because in this new digital world, attention isn't optional, it's the currency. And the only way to dominate is to outpublish, outsmart, and outlast. Building this system isn't easy. Here's how I'm approaching it. Step by step. Step 1, find or create 100 high-quality posts per day, not random junk. Every post has a purpose. Step 2, use AI tools for captions, reels, hooks, storytelling, thumbnails. Step 3, schedule and automate using smart schedulers and templates. Step 4, track what's working, then double down, ruthlessly. Step 5, build ManyChat automations to turn views into email subscribers, buyers, fans. This isn't about spamming. It's about dominating through consistency and value. Here's the truth they don't tell you. Building a 100 posts a day machine sounds sexy, but it's frustrating, overwhelming, and expensive. I've wasted time on the wrong tools, burned out on bad ideas, had posts flop so hard, I questioned if any of this would even work. But every failure teaches you something. And here's what I've learned so far. Systems, greater than motivation. Volume, greater than perfection. Speed, greater than overthinking. Automation, greater than burnout. Success doesn't reward the perfect, it rewards the persistent. So if you're watching this right now, you're early. You're seeing daZillionairesClub before it becomes the thing everyone else talks about. If you're a builder, a dreamer, a quiet hustler, I invite you to follow along, subscribe, turn on notifications, because this journey is just beginning. And I want you to see not just how it's built, but how you can build your own version too. Because at the end of the day, you don't have to be a billionaire to think like one. You just have to start acting like your dream is real before anyone else even sees it. This is daZillionairesClub, and this is just the beginning.